If we have an expression like 323563, then what is the correct answer? Because mostly 99% of people fail while solving this. So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn how to solve expressions like this correctly within minutes. What most people do is solve the expression from left to right. First, they divide 3 by 2 and get 1.5. Then multiply it by 3 and get 4, 5. After that, they subtract 5 from 4.5 and get minus 0.5. Then, they divide 6 by 3 and get 2. And finally, multiply minus 0.5 by 2, ending up with minus 1, which is absolutely the wrong answer. Why? Because we must follow the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So first, we solve the parentheses. Inside the first parentheses, we have division and multiplication, and these always work from left to right. 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. Now solve the second parentheses. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 1, 5, 3 equals 4.5. Now the expression becomes 4.552. Since multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, we solve multiplication first. 5 2 equals 10. So now, (4.5 minus 10 equals minus 5.5). Therefore, the correct answer is minus 5.5.